Hi everybody, I wanted to share some fantastic resources we have available here at CTU to encourage you to use them this semester. To locate these resources, they're always right up here at the top of your screen under the Learning Center. So I'm going to click on this. And you'll see a couple things here, Smart Thinking Tutoring as well as the Learning Centers. Let's take a look at Smart Thinking first. So what this will do is it will enable you to submit your writing and get feedback from tutors. It's fantastic. You can submit questions, you can work with a tutor, and then you can submit your writing. So I highly encourage you to do this even with your discussion boards. If you have any grammar concerns, this would be a wonderful way to get some feedback. Please especially keep this in mind for your Unit 4 individual project. I'd love for you to plan ahead to use Smart Thinking that week. Now, the other fantastic place I want to take you is within the Learning Center. Scroll down and you'll see the Writing Support Center right here at the bottom. Let's click on that. Look at this amazing amount of fantastic resources here. We have grammar basics, parts of the paper, the writing process, writing skills, assignment skills, APA style, types of writing, and then an area to get even more help. So I encourage you to check this out. Think about where your weaknesses may lie. If you're not feeling great about APA or the writing process or grammar, this is a great place to check out and do a little extra work here to improve your writing. All right, everybody, this is just a very quick check-in on resources. Let me know if you have any questions. And let me know if you use any. Give me some feedback on how it goes. All right, thanks everybody. Bye.